Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, gather your tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, a cleaning cloth, and an anti-static wrist strap. Ensure you have a clean workspace to prevent any accidental damage to the components. Begin by powering down your HP EliteBook and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery carefully using your Phillips screwdriver. Next, locate the screws that secure the back panel of the laptop. There are typically 10 to 12 screws, so make sure to keep them organized. As you remove each screw, place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel using a flathead screwdriver. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. Now, we'll focus on the motherboard. Look for the connectors attached to the motherboard and carefully unplug them. It's essential to handle them gently to prevent any breakage. After that, locate the screws securing the motherboard to the chassis. There are usually 4 screws, remove them with your Phillips screwdriver. If you notice any dust or debris inside the laptop, use a cleaning cloth to wipe the surfaces. This is a perfect time to clean the internal components since dust can cause overheating and other issues. Once the motherboard is free, carefully lift it out. Inspect it for any visible damage, such as burnt components or broken traces. If you find any issues, this is where our professional diagnosis without obligation can come in handy. If you're uncertain about the extent of the damage, don't hesitate to reach out to us for assistance. If the motherboard requires resoldering or replacing components, ensure you have the right tools and skills. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get the service you need without calls or travel. After repairing or replacing components, apply thermal paste to the CPU before reassembling the motherboard. This ensures optimal heat transfer. Gently place the motherboard back into its slot, aligning it properly with the connectors. Now, reconnect all the cables and connectors, ensuring they are secure. Double-check that everything is in place before moving on to the back panel. Replace the screws securing the motherboard and then reattach the back panel by pressing it down until it clicks into place. Finally, replace the battery and power on the laptop. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations on completing the repair. If you need a quote before your repair, we can provide that as well, ensuring transparency and costs before you proceed with any service. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.